Hi guys, I hope that you're all doing well. Today I have an Aspinal of London unboxing. I asked you during my last Aspinal of London haul if you wanted to see the trunk when it arrived in either a community post or an unboxing, and many of you said an unboxing, so here I am. All right, so let's do this. Enough chit chat. Let's get into the bag, shall we? So here it is in the signature Aspinal of London box. This item took forever to get here, and I will tell you guys why in just a minute. But here it is in the box with the tissue paper, and the tissue paper all says Aspinal of London. Any guesses as to the trunk that I picked up? I absolutely love their trunks. I think all of them are gorgeous. But any guesses? I picked up the beautiful Aspinal of London trunk in the black patent croc embossed leather. I love this. I think it is so unbelievably gorgeous. And you guys know that I normally prefer the matte patent leather, but I have to say that with all the hardware that this has, this black patent leather is a beautiful, beautiful marriage. I love the way that it looks. It is so ridiculously shiny. It's insane. It is absolutely insane. And all of the little corners here have the protective stickers, except for this one here, but everything has stickers to make sure that it doesn't get scratched. That is amazing. So originally, as you guys know, this was the exchange. Originally, I had purchased the transparent one, and normally I am not a fan of plastic bags, especially for the price point that it has. But when it arrived, it already started to have some scratches on the plastic. So I just kept thinking, okay, the more and more that I use this bag, the more scratches that are gonna be noticeable on the exterior, and it's not gonna be cute. Like, it is not gonna be cute whatsoever. But the transparent one absolutely spoke to me. And I was like, no, I have to be, I have to really think about how I'm going to use it, because I don't want to put it in a bubble or anything like that. And I just knew that over time it wasn't going to age well. So I ended up sending that one back, and then this was my second choice, but this is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. All right, so let me give you guys some details. I will put the measurements on the screen here as well as the weight. I always like to include the weight because you never know. So on the front side, it says Aspinal of London, England, right down here. There is a side view. There are no exterior pockets. There is the back view. On the bottom, you do have 4 feet. Love, love, love the fact that they include feet in almost all of their bags. So Aspinal is definitely winning in my book. And then at the very top, you have one little handle here, and then you have this type of snap button closure, not snap button, but this type of closure that says Aspinal of London there, and it pops open like so. And inside, are you guys ready for the inside? Da-da-da-da! You have this beautiful red fabric interior. Here I have the strap, but look at that. The red with the champagne gold and the shiny black leather is absolutely amazing. So on one side, you have a little zipped closure with the Aspinal of London logo there. And let's open it up together. Is it pretty deep? It goes the entire length of this red pocket here. So it is pretty deep. I like that. And then it says Aspinal of London, England right there. And then on the opposite side, you have a little stretch pocket. There we go. And here's a little tag. It says General Care, caring for your Aspinal of London products. Guarantee. Love that. But this little pocket here goes the entire length of this as well. And then you also have these little gussets on the side, so that way when you open up your bag, your stuff isn't flying out, which I really like. And this is very smooth, very, very smooth leather. So I absolutely love the way that this looks. I am a sucker for trunks in general. But when I saw that they had these, I was like, oh my God. They also have hat boxes. The hat boxes are gorgeous. I really need to slow my roll when it comes to Aspinal of London, because I have become a woman obsessed these last few months. But I mean, the quality and the prices are so good, right? But I love the way that this looks. All right, and then here is the strap. The strap, I'll be honest with you, I'm not too crazy about it. I'm not too crazy about it. It does have the croc embossing. Embossing. I always feel like I say that really weird. Embossing on it. There we go. And then you have the Aspinal of London clips on there, the lobster clasps. I'm not too crazy about this strap. Yes, it is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different adjustments. So that's nice. It's not a whole one size fits all. It says Aspinal on that little belt buckle there. But it feels a little bit stiff, and I imagine that if you overload this trunk, this might be uncomfortable and it might end up digging into your skin. I could be wrong. That is just my first impression of it. But I am not too crazy about how skinny this is. I think if this was a little bit thicker, or my preference would actually be a chain strap. I think the chain strap would look beautiful with this. I know some people aren't a fan of the chain strap, but I don't know. I think that this kind of takes away from it. I feel like it's not as glamorous, right? With this type of strap. Am I wrong? Am I crazy? Let me know if I'm crazy. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful, but I think a chain strap with the leather woven in between would have been a really, really nice touch. Ooh, you know what? I can add the chain from my Midi Mayfair to this because you have red on the inside. It might look a little bit funny, but I'm gonna try it out. So there is the strap. I will also put the strap length on here so you guys can check it out. I will put it from the smallest to the longest length. And I also brought out the Midi Mayfair so you guys have a comparison when it comes to size. So there we go. In my opinion, I feel like these two are very similar in size. At first I was thinking that this was gonna be a lot smaller than when I opened up the box. I was like, oh, it's a bigger size. I'm good with that. I'm definitely good with that. But I do think they're very similar in length as well as width. So that is nice. It's not a tiny, tiny little trunk. They do have others. They have other colors. They have other materials. Like I said, I talked about the transparent one. And they also have another trunk that's a little bit shorter than this one, but I really like the boxiness that this one has. It's very chic. It's very dressy, but not. You know what I mean? I think this is such a beautiful piece. My goodness. I can really see myself getting another trunk, but I gotta be good. I gotta be good. I gotta be good. But they are just absolutely gorgeous. So in total, I do believe I paid, I wanna say 505 or something like that after everything for this. So I thought that was some really good savings compared to what they retail for. But I think that these are absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? I will also include a clip, a really quick clip of what you can end up fitting in here, because like I said before, it's not this uber tiny little trunk. You can actually fit a lot more in there. And just to give you an idea, here's my phone, and I have an iPhone 11. So everything else in here is gonna fit quite nicely. Of course, I have to go for my more compact SLGs, but I love the way that this looks. This would be perfect just as like a decorative piece too, right? Am I crazy for thinking that? No, right? I don't know, but I love this. I think it is absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the shiny black leather or the matte croc embossed leather? Let me know. But I am definitely a fan. I love the little details. There is not a stitch out of place, nothing like that. And I love the fact that they're protecting all the corners as well, except for this little one. And they even have the protective stickers on this part here. I like that. Let me add the strap so you guys can see it with this strap. Oh, and I'll add the strap of the Midi Mayfair. Just for, I was gonna say cacas and giggles, but I don't want to get flagged. Okay, see what I mean? Oh, I don't like that. That looks kind of funky. It just doesn't, it really doesn't add to the bag. You know what I mean? I think it just really takes away from it. I think this just kind of handheld would be really, really cute. But yeah, I'm not really digging this strap whatsoever. Now let's add the Midi Mayfair strap very quickly. Like I said, I didn't want to make this a very long unboxing or reveal. Okay, let's see my strap. I keep it in here. So no, not a fan, Theo? Not a fan. Theodore's hanging out with me. As usual, he's like, Mom, stop filming. Stop filming. Play with me. All right, so there is the strap. See what I mean? I think this looks a lot better. Maybe not necessarily the red, although I don't think the red is I don't think the red is too bad because obviously you do have the red on the interior, but I think this looks a lot better than that other strap because it adds a little bit more. I don't know. I really like this. I really, really like this. I think this looks amazing. So just a little mixing and matching when it comes to the Aspinal pieces that I have. But I was so excited. I could not wait to get this item. It was stuck in customs forever because on the outside of the box, the description, because it came from overseas, it said crocodile trunk. So obviously that was a huge red flag because of, you know, thinking it was an exotic skin or what have you. I kept tracking it and I'm like, what is going on? So I kept calling and they're like, we have to pretty much investigate what the bag is made out of. And I'm like, it's not crocodile. I promise you, it's not crocodile. It is just the texture. So it took a little bit, but I'm happy that it got here because I think it is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? I love it. I couldn't be happier with this trunk. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. But that does it for my quick Aspinal of London unboxing or reveal. Let me know what you guys think and let me know what items you have picked up from Aspinal of London. Are you also loving the brand as much as I am? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I love you guys and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you guys later. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. Have a great day.